Hey, testing this out to see if you can hear the game sound. I think there's a chance you'll be able to. This one was so much fun, by the way. I was using a microphone, believe it or not, but the voice didn't come through. So this time, I'm not using a microphone, but instead I have the volume really and that's because it was so bad yesterday when I did use a microphone and it just kind of canceled my voice out. So yeah, this is a sound test to see if this is any better. Well, more specifically, to see if you can hear I raise and lower the volume. Okay, let's see.